สวัสดีค่ะ Hello everybody, welcome back to jirasthaikitchen from Scotland channel. This week I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a famous traditional Thai green curry. It's well known by many people in the world, and normally people would prefer to have it with rice or rice noodles. But today I'm going to make Thai green curry seafood pasta for your dinner tonight. It will take less than 15 minutes, and you can easily buy Thai green curry paste from your local supermarket, and you can cook homemade delicious Thai foods to impress your family and friends every week by yourself with jirasthaikitchen. So let's start! Here is a list of ingredients you will require. 6 tiger prawns and 150 grams of squids, 1 or 2 tablespoons of green curry paste, a cup of coconut cream, 100 grams of asparagus cut in the size of ½ inch, 2 or 3 of lime leaves, some of red chillies, and some of basil leaves. A 100 grams of pasta, 1 or 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and 1 tablespoon of palm sugar. And these are all simple ingredients that we're going to make Thai green curry seafood pasta for your dinner tonight. First step, we need to cook the pasta. We place the pasta in the boiling water and add some salt. Next step, place the frying pan on the low heat and adding a few tablespoons of coconut cream. Then add some of the Thai green curry paste into it and keep stirring it and keep adding coconut cream a little bit at a time, stirring it until the chili paste gets a bit thicker and a bit oily. As you can see, the chili paste and the coconut cream get a bit oily. Now we can add the asparagus into it and keep stirring it for a few minutes. For the vegetables, you can also use the eggplants or bamboo shoots, but because in Scotland I cannot find the eggplants, So I just use asparagus instead. So now you can add all the coconut cream into the frying pan. Then you can add the tiger prawns and squids into it and keep stirring it for a few minutes until it's cooked. After the seafoods are cooked, then add 1 or 2 tablespoons of fish sauce and 1 tablespoon of plum sugar into the curry. Then let it boil gently for a few minutes. Then add slice of red chillies, basil leaves, and add some slice of lime leaves. Now it's time to serve. I hope you will find my recipes are easy to follow. I am showing you a step-by-step, easy, simple, and a proper way how to cook authentic Thai foods every week on my YouTube channel. Please click like, share, and subscribe to support my channel, Jirasthaikitchen. Thank you for watching. See you next time.